Hello kids, how are you? Today we'll learn 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. Violet color, dark blue color, sky blue color, orange color, light green color, purple color, brown color, yellow color, red color, pink color. Let's learn to count some numbers. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10, number 11, number 12, number 13, number 14, number 15, number 16, number 17, number 18, number 19, and number 20. Let's count the number again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.